Oh my God, look at this mess. So I'm doing a thing. I'm helping somebody out, and I wanted to get this house together, this apartment together for these kids. This man is a single dad and he's taking care of two boys. So they heard I love to clean and they're like, oh my God, you would love to clean our stove. And so I went in, I seen it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I definitely would love this. So here I am, just showing you all the dirt. It's been there for a while. You know how guys are. Most guys are just like, they don't have somebody to go and clean for them, so they don't do it. Just keep it all right, or not even all right. They keep it okay, like enough for them, anyways, and just deal with it. So yeah, it doesn't do much cooking. And what has been cooked on there has been left. The sink is a mess. There's so much dishes. Like, oh my gosh, I did probably like 10 loads of dishes, it felt like. It took forever. I was there 5 hours just in one little kitchen. Here's the floor. It's a hot mess itself. And back to the stove. So here we are removing the items that were there. And yes, I took my Dollar Tree spray and I just sprayed all over the place. And no, I didn't take off the burners because I was like, you know what? Let me just spray everything and just let it soak. So I let this soak on there while I did all those dishes. So everything stood soaking while I did the dishes, and then I put on another layer of that scrub free. I use the whole bottle on just the top of the stove. So here I am scrubbing it. This is the second time I sprayed it. So I did not scrub it right away after I sprayed it the first time. I sprayed it, let it chill for a while, then sprayed it again, then started scrubbing. And as you see, I just used one of these Dollar General dollar scrub brushes, and it worked amazing right there. As you can see, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna take forever. But you know what? It wasn't too bad. I was lazy. I just took those off and started going in. After I did all those dishes, I was like super, super tired. So here I am scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing my little heart out. It was awful. Oh my gosh. But it was fun. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, it sucked, but it was fun. Like, it's just satisfying to get the end result. And I didn't think that was going to come off at all. Like, I seen that side right there. So I was like, oh, you know what? I'm hopeful. But then I started scrubbing and I was like, I don't think this is going to come up. But I seen little bits were coming up. So I was really hopeful. But I knew one way or another, I was going to get it done. You know what? I had bought those SOS pads. And the SOS pads, I totally forgot about them. So here I am just scrubbing away, scrubbing away. Forgot all about the SOS pads, which would have really helped. And that the SOS pads are a godsend. So here I am just scrubbing away, scrubbing, and it was really stuck on grease. Like you see those little what are those called where the fire comes out? Well, those a couple of the burners don't work because they're clogged, of course. Oh, messed up right there. So I went and got the Dollar General scour pad. It's called, I believe, steel satin scour pad. And you get two of them for $1, and they are amazing. Use them for everything. And so I had a pack of those. So I used one for the stove and then one for like dishes and everything. And just putting on that comment because that really helps a lot when you're cleaning your stove or your oven, when you're cleaning really anything. But yeah, the SOS pads totally forgot about. But I need to soak those. So when I do go back, I'm going to go ahead and soak the burner, soak everything in ammonia, I guess. From what I read up on, that's what will get the burners working again. And here I am using that scour pad again. I am so bad with editing. I'm so sorry. So new to this, but wanted to start posting. And here it is, scrubbing and scrubbing. And then the end result is coming. I did film doing the whole thing, but I lost footage. I'm so new to this. I thought I was recording, wasn't recording. But here we are. Boom, 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 boom. All done. I scrubbed those by hand as well, and they came out great. And this was the end result. Thank you for watching.